Among other things, the electrical engineer should know that power delivered from the monophase generator is pulsating, that from the multiphase generator is constant, that current density is the amount of current per unit of area of a cross section of a conductor, that an induction coil is an apparatus used for obtaining a very small current at a very high voltage from a battery current of low voltage, and hence really a transformer especially adapted to work a continuous current from a few cells, that a primary coil is that coil of an induction coil, transformer, etc., through which flows a primary current, with the original current, whose fluctuations are to be utilized in order to induce another or secondary current in the secondary coil of the apparatus, and that copper loss is the waste of energy through the resistance of copper circuits in electric plant, the energy being dissipated in the form of heat, The dynamo is a reversible machine, that is to say, it may be used either as a dynamo or as a motor, in the first case, the machine is driven by a steam engine or gas engine or turbine, and gives out electrical energy, In the second case, electrical energy is imparted to the machine, close.